In order to send your exam paper via PDF document, you will be required to download an application from the Play Store if you are using an Android phone, or from the App Store if you are using the Apple iPhone. You will need to download the application named CamScanner. Once you have downloaded this application, you will need to press this CamScanner app in order to start scanning your papers. Once you will see this application has opened, there are several options given to you on the top of the screen and on the bottom of the screen. There are the options like Home, Docs, the camera icon, the PDF tools, and the Me. For scanning of the documents, you need to press this camera icon. Once you press this camera icon, you will notice some other options given to you again, which is ID card, single, batch, question book. You will need to select batch because your documents will be into the batch, because you will be giving your exam papers to your examiner. Select this batch as an option. Click or press this camera icon on right below the batch icon. Start scanning your document by pressing the camera icon. My first page has been scanned. As you can see on the bottom right, there is one document being scanned. I will scan another document. I will scan another page again. This has actually been scanned. My 3 pages of my exam answer sheet has been now scanned. I will press this sheet. On the bottom right, I will press these 3 papers. I will select them. All my documents are now getting scanned. They have been scanned correctly. I will rename my document as my exam paper or the format that has been given to me by my examiner. Once done this, I will press this green tick which is on the bottom right of my screen. Once done, all of my documents have been scanned. I will press this more, which is actually been given on the bottom right of my screen. I have the options of to album, upload, AirPrint. I will actually press the option of the upload over here. This upload will guide me towards my Google Drive and it will save my document into my Google Drive. As you can see, there are many options given. I will upload this on my Google Drive, which is being given to me by the assigned email ID of the school. It will give me again the 2 options, JPEG file or the PDF file. I will save it as a PDF file with the original size. It will give me the options that where I want to save my exam paper in my G Drive. I will select the folder which I have already made in my G Drive with the name exam folder. I will ask the app to upload my paper here by clicking on the top right, I will click the upload here option. My paper is getting uploaded over here. Once done that, I will close this application. I will go to the Gmail. I will go to the email by which the examiner has sent me the paper. I will reply all to this email. I will press the pin icon. I will go on my G Drive. I will select my exam folder. I will select my document which I have saved for this paper. This email now contains my solutions. I will press the send and my documents have been sent to my examiner. You have to follow similar steps in order to transmit your exam papers to your examiner on the same email thread which has been given to you by your examiner. Thank you.